how to link Activision to Steam for your Call of Duty COD Modern Warfare 2. So first up, we want to click on sign up if you don't already have an Activision account, but I already have one, so I'm simply going to click on login, and I'm going to log in with my account information. Okay, so after we have been logged in, all we have to do is click on profile, and the first page it's gonna take us to is the account linking page. So from here, as you can see, the second to last option is Steam, and all we have to do is click on link with Steam account, and then it will ask you to log in with Steam. I'm not gonna do all that, but it's going to ask you to log in with Steam, and then all we have to do is press on link account, and that is how you link your Activision Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 with your Steam account. It is as simple as that. I hope this was useful. Make sure to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.